Farmers across Macon County are giving the public a chance to get familiar with their machinery. It's called Touch a Tractor, and it's put on by the Macon County Farm Bureau. Attendees got to see some of the equipment that will be featured at the upcoming Farm Progress Show. WAND stopped by and spoke with one of the organizers. He says he hopes that when people see the size of these machines in person, it will influence the way they drive when they see one on the road.
Safety, if they come up behind a piece of equipment, it's hard for us to get off the road sometimes. To be patient, we'll move off the road and they can see how large it is. It's not like an automobile you can just move over or go around it.
Again, you can see more of that machinery at the Farm Progress Show. Still to come.